For me and for many of you, these caregivers have been essential workers. They are the infrastructure without whom I could not have functioned. Our work at the Heising-Simons Foundation is focused on early childhood, which we define as the age period of birth to age 8. We are delighted to be supporters of the campaign for grade level reading. Childcare and early learning represents a very core plank, as you've just seen from Anna's lovely description of the Care Fund, which also covers caregivers for those with disabilities and the elderly. The reason we joined the Care Fund is because we become convinced that we will need to join forces with other allied social movements to bring about these big transformative changes that I think the early care sector itself and the others demand. We're making a bet that working in coalition with other non-early childhood funders and grantees will broaden the tent for early childhood and create the necessary momentum for reform, especially in this rare moment of policy opportunity. The last thing I'd say is there's a lot of opportunities in early childhood to affiliate with adjacent movements, for example, K-12, or we could join a child poverty campaign. But the care economy frame was particularly attractive because it takes this workforce perspective, a recognition of the critical role that women caregivers, mostly women, overwhelmingly women of color, are playing in our lives and the recovery of our economy. And it recognizes that families don't live in silos. They may have responsibilities to elderly parents, young children, and family members with special needs, quite possibly all at the same time. So when we take on the whole of this, we honor their needs.